Hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. And in this channel, I teach you how to understand how the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels work and what are the things that you need to look out for so that you are made aware of where you have to take a long trade, where you should be taking short trade, where you have to avoid the trade. This channel is for you, and we hope to learn together and increase the numbers of our community. So let's understand what happened in yesterday's today's market. As I had mentioned in my previous market video, that if there is a selling below this level, it's going to be the bear that's going to take a party into the 4. We saw a bear market rally today, and this was amazing. As you saw, the price went down below this, the follow through, the selling continued, and we saw a good selling post that. Okay, and I took a trade on the put side, and I have uploaded the video of the same, the logic behind that trade. You can go and watch that video and you'll understand a lot of things. So let's begin and see what are the things that you need to look out for, the levels that you need to look out for tomorrow's trading session. And my view is now bearish, so tomorrow if there is any trade to be taken, I will be looking to take it on the short side. Okay, maybe things will change, and things might change in the second half, that is later part of the day. The things might change, but you never know. As of now, the bulls are nowhere to be seen. It's the bear mayhem all over the place. Okay, you can see Nifty and Bank Nifty, bears have been reigning. Bears have shown that they are powerful. All right, so let's understand what are the things that you need to look out for in tomorrow's session. As you know that I like to start by marking the high and the low. So this was the high for the day in Nifty, and high was 17,772 level, and this was the low for Nifty. And what was that low? The low for Nifty was 17,529 levels. Okay, so once you have marked the high and the low for Nifty, let's understand what are the levels that you need to watch out for. That is the support and the resistance level. Now you see all these levels have not been touched today. This itself shows you that the market was pretty weak. The bears were completely in control, but we have some price stability that has happened, and post that the price is broken below that level. So what are those levels that you need to look out for? These are the levels that you need to look out for now you see here, once the price started its selling, there was a sell-off. The price stabilized around this particular level. Once it stabilized around this particular level, it showed that this is a kind of a support that was provided, but that support did not hold. So now that support, once it did not hold and it broke down, this support tends to become your supply zone or your resistance zone. So the resistance zone that you need to look out for is 17,650 to 17,670 levels. This is the resistance zone that you need to look out for. Okay, there will be a lot of resistance in tomorrow's session at the start of the day. Later on in the second half, maybe if there is any kind of pattern that is emerging to show that the bulls are in coming back, then we could see these resistances breaking out. Until then, this will be your supply zone. So post that, the price kept moving down, the price went up, okay, from this particular level. So this could be your level of support now, along with your previous day low. This could be your level of support in Nifty. What is that support level? For 17,525 to 17,535 level will be your level of support for time being. Okay, we don't know whether tomorrow this level will be broken. So once if there is a probability that the bulls are going to march higher, this will be our level of resistance which they could see. Now after it bounced back, the price, you see the price turned from this particular level. Okay, my screen just froze. The price turned. What is that level? 17,600 level. So the price turned from that particular level. So you need to watch out for this particular level as a resistance zone also here, which is 17,585 to 17,600 level. Okay, so 17,585 to 17,600 level is another level of resistance. Okay, once it breaks out, the price is expected to move towards the 17,655 to 17,675 levels, or 17,650 to 17,670 levels. Okay, so these are the levels that you need to watch out for. This is your main resistance zone, and there is a gap here. Okay, so it's not going to be easy for the bulls to push forward. Maybe we'll see tomorrow a gap down opening in tomorrow's session, and as I said at the initial start of the day, I will be looking to short the market, and if only the bulls are showing some kind of strength, if there is a consolidation around this level and there is a breakout post this level, then we could look at the long side. So what you need to watch out for is, you need to watch out for if there is a gap up to 17,585 to 17,600 level, we could be looking to short the market, or if there's a gap up to 17,650 to 17,670 levels, then also we could be looking at taking a short around this particular level during the early hours, during the morning hours of the trading. Okay, later part of the day, let the market give us a signal how the market is behaving, whether the bulls are coming back or whether it's going to be still the bears who are going to rule the show. Okay, all right, so this is what we are looking at in Nifty for tomorrow's session. So you have all this resistance zones, this is a resistance zone, this is a resistance zone, this is your demand zone. So far now what is looking, it is looking bearish, so we are going to play on the bearish side at the start of the day. Next we are going to look at the Bank Nifty trade. Okay, Bank Nifty was also I had mentioned this in my video. Okay, you can check the video which I had uploaded, and below this level 40,500, which is a psychological level, I said that if the price goes below this and the selling follows through, okay, and the selling did follow through, you could see the bears parting in the Bank Nifty. So it did happen. So let's see what are the levels that you need to watch out for in Bank Nifty. So this is your low for the Bank Nifty. And what is the low for Bank Nifty? 40,081 level was a low for Bank Nifty. And I also mentioned that where I took a trade in the video and why I'm not going to take again a short trade, because of the psychological 40,000 round number here. We could see a good bounce up, and that bounce came, and I had clearly mentioned it, there will be a good bounce up from the psychological level, and it happened. So that anybody tried to short here again would have been trapped and would have lost money here. Okay, so that's your low for Bank Nifty, and this is your high for Bank Nifty. What is the high for Bank Nifty? The high for Bank Nifty is 40,529 level. So this will be your resistance level. So let's see where the supply or the demand could come in on Bank Nifty. Okay, so what is happening? The price stabilized around this level, the price broke down, okay, from this particular level, and price again came back to this level, and the price has been turning from this level. So what is happening now is, this is your resistance zone for Bank Nifty. What is your resistance zone? 40,120 to 40,150 level is your resistance zone for Bank Nifty. 40,120 to 40,130 level is going to be your resistance zone for Bank Nifty. This is your supply side. Whereas the price stabilized and it moved down, okay, you see the price has been coming down. So I don't see any more price stabilization around. Okay, here was a little bit of price stabilization, so you could see a strong resistance around this level also. Okay, what is that level? 40,340 to 40,370 level. So 40,340 to 40,370 level will be another zone of resistance for Bank Nifty going forward. If in case this resistance level breaks in tomorrow's session and it goes higher to this level, this will be another zone of selling we could see. So what are we going to look at now? These are your main resistance zone. This is going to be very difficult for the bulls to break through these barriers, so we are going to play bearish at the start of the day, as I am saying. So what is the play that we are going to look at? If the price opens a gap up to this level and there is any kind of selling seen through the price action, we are going to look at shorting near to this level, 40,120 to 40,150 level. If there is a gap up to these levels, okay, that is 40,330 to 40,340 to 40,370 levels. If there is gap up to these levels and there is any kind of bearish price behavior, then we're going to look at shorting the market. If there is a gap down below this level, we are not going to immediately short it. We could get trapped, so we have to be very, very careful, because we have a psychological level of 40,000 also. So these levels could act as a strong demand zone. So right now the demand zone is around this level, that is for 39,885 to 39,925 levels. Okay, so this is your demand zone. If there is a gap down, do not immediately sell through, okay, or short the market. See if there is any kind of follow through coming. If there is a follow through, then it is good. Otherwise, wait for the follow through to happen, that is the price to go down and the price to bounce back and do a mean reversal trading. Okay, so these are the levels that you need to watch out for in tomorrow's trading session. I hope these levels have worked well for you in my past videos, and I hope these levels work for you in tomorrow's trading session also. So if you like the content, please do like the button, hit the like button, okay, and subscribe to my channel Stock Market Teacher, and hit on the bell notification. All the best in tomorrow's trading.